In this video, we'll be escaping the Hinckley Sub to go visit CP's Paynesville Subdivision in central Minnesota to see none other than the legendary CP 2816 itself on its final spike tour from Calgary, Alberta to Mexico City. We left the house right around 6 a.m. for South Haven. I'd hoped to make it a little further west that I ended up with an extra run by, but word from fellow foamer Andy H had it they were to depart Glenwood sooner than expected, so we didn't chance it.
This song probably represents what's about to happen.
I set up on Oak Avenue in South Haven under my umbrella as the rain pounded down over me. Yeah, my driver really took that picture of me. They ended up leaving Glenwood at 7:20, a whopping hour and 40 minutes earlier than expected, which meant only a 15 or so minute wait in South Haven. I ran back to the car and the chase was on. Google Maps failed us coming out of South Haven, trying to make us go down a road that clearly hasn't existed for a little while. As you could imagine, traffic on Highway 55 parallel to the track was intense. We kept running into people called pacers, which in case you don't know are people who roll down their window with a camera and attempt to take a picture going parallel to the train. Quick rant about pacers here, sorry to interrupt the video, but what the heck is going through their minds when they decide to do this? There are tons of vehicles behind you, most of which are trying to go faster than the train to beat it somewhere. And I'm no math expert, but from my calculations, if a train is going 40 miles an hour and you're going 40 miles an hour in the front of a traffic line on a highway where it's relatively difficult to pass people, it's very likely that the people behind you are going to have a very hard time beating the train anywhere. If you're someone who is pacing or thinking about pacing, my message to you is just don't. You seriously ruin it for everyone, so can you please just be normal and just not? Anyway, after struggling to catch up to the train, watching foamers out the window, hitting many red lights, getting stuck behind a dump truck out by Buffalo, which was a royal pain to get through, finally hope arises, a meet at Dickinson siding. I made it to Plymouth with plenty of time to spare and joined by fellow foamers Andy and Kyle, a 30-minute wait under the bridge commenced. Yes, this is the guy whose car I've stalked with my drone a few times. The really dedicated fans might notice that. I launched my drone just in the nick of time and get a pretty neat view of them from both the ground and up high. Everything seemed fine with the drone until I decided to lower my altitude just a bit, and then this happens. The three of us went looking in the treetops for a good 5 to 10 minutes before I finally spotted it up there. I'm the least observant person I know, so the fact that I saw it first is absolutely mind-blowing. I thought for a few minutes as to how the heck we were going to get the thing down, and then I remembered. Andy has a camera pole. A camera pole, for those who don't know, is a long pole that you put a camera on for some extra height. His is about 20 feet tall. You know, pretty simple. I've made fun of Andy's camera pole in the past, mostly as a joke because obviously drones are far superior because they can move around. Anyway, I asked if he had it with, and fortunately he did. So he hikes back to his car, grabs the pole, and attempts to remove it from the tree. I took some crappy footage of it, and we definitely should have had Kyle be the cameraman because he was just kind of standing over there doing nothing. I should have tried to catch it, but you get the idea. Might be too high.
Oh, there.
I see it, but yeah, for sure try it. I hope I could just like grab the bridge and just try to hustle it down enough.
Yeah.
Camera rubber. Alright.
It should survive the impact.
I see your pole on frame. Wow. No way.
That's definitely damaged.
I'd say that's better than staying overnight in a tree.
Yeah. Well, no, I think it's actually fine.
Is that recording? What happened? I wish it was.
Oh, I don't.
No one's gonna believe me.
With the drone removed and my stuff packed up, we called it a day and went the remaining 100 miles back home. It didn't go exactly as I planned, but it was still possibly the most fun rail fanning trip I've been on. The nice timing and the cool people I got to chat with for a little while really made the trip worth the 5 hours of being in the car. Thanks for watching, and a huge shout out and thank you to my channel members: Isaiah Vandy, Josh Norston, The Cary Railfan, Trains of Southwest Michigan, Captain Morgan 757, Rebecca S, Georgia Rail Videos, BNSF Bishop, Chipped Lee, William D, Transit Fan 2022, and Pasco Rail Productions. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.